Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Nex Automotive. Come with me and we'll go on a shop tour together. This is our front desk, so when you come in and you're ready to get checked in, you'll be greeted by Kelly. Kelly is on lunch right now, but usually when she's here, she'll greet you, get you checked in, and get the process started with your vehicle. While you're waiting, you can hang out in the lobby area. We were very intentional when designing the lobby. We wanted to make sure that it was comfortable for our customers and it didn't fall into that automotive stereotype where you walk into the lobby and it smells bad and it's dirty. We keep it very clean and organized. And then if you're gonna be here with us for a while, we also have a coffee station. This coffee maker, you can make fresh espresso and even nitro cold brew. Just ask us for help and we will get some coffee made for you. And then down the hall over here, we have our facilities. We like to keep them very clean. And if you guys are ready, I can take you out into the shop. Over here is our tire machine. So we can do tire rotations, tire replacements. However, we do not keep an inventory of tires on hand due to limited space out in the shop. But typically when we order them as needed, they can come in same day or next day from our local vendor. This is our Hunter alignment machine. It is laser guided. So once the vehicle is up on the rack, we can get the specs on your alignment within about 90 seconds. After the alignment check or the alignment itself has been performed, we can print out your results and go over them with you in the lobby, which is super cool. Super easy for us to drive just about any vehicle up onto it, and it can support anywhere from small compact cars to larger trucks. These are our two-post lifts. This one over here on the side is for kind of our daily mechanical work. We get a lot of use out of it. This lift over here is super cool. We actually have an extension kit on it, so it's a little bit taller than the other one and it has a higher weight capacity. We specifically had it installed to service our EV customers, and I have another thing to show you. These are our adapter pucks. So when we lift electric vehicles, they have different points where we should be supporting them from before we pop them up on the lift. This ensures that we're not damaging the underbody, just because obviously EVs and gas vehicles are built different and they have different pressure points underneath the vehicle. This over here is our True Point system. So after you've had your windshield replaced and alignment performed, we can go ahead and take care of your calibration on site right here in the shop. And this here is our MA600. It's a lot like the True Point, but obviously it's much smaller. It's more mobile. So a lot of our fleet vehicles will have this in their cars so they can perform calibrations off site. All right, over here we have Cosmo and Wanda, our 3D printers. So we actually print 3D printed products that are accessories to some of the calibration equipment that we use. For example, this here is an MA600 clip. We do sell these online, so if you're interested in ordering, we'll have the link in the description below. We also print some stuff just for fun, like this little keychain here. It has an NFC tag in it, so if you hold it to your phone, it takes you to our website. Over here, we have our OEM target boards. We use these with our True Point system and our MA600. They are specific to the vehicle and to the ADAS feature that they're calibrating. So we have specifically like our Rivian target boards. There's stuff for Mazda, Nissan, basically everything that you would find at the dealer. All right, guys, thank you for joining us for our shop tour today.
Where have you been?
I thought you were on lunch.
No, we've been looking for you. Huge company meeting in the conference room. Come on.
Oh, that's today?